Hey everyone, this is Stan with SEOcheckbox.com. I just wanted to show you how to set up a Google Analytics account. Now, I have actually tried different analytics programs, and to be honest with you, I've actually installed some of my own on my server. They were open source, but they've just slowed things down. There is an advantage to having Google know what's happening on your site. For example, by letting Google have analytics on your site, it helps them track you better, but it also helps them realize how good your site is, which means if your site is performing good, it's fast loader, stuff like that, then it helps them to know that you're that way, and it helps them to rank you higher. So, it's kind of a weird thing sharing this information with another company, but actually they're there to help you in a way, of course, helping themselves as well. But this is a necessary thing that we need to do. So I just want to show you how to set up a Google Analytics tracking record. Basically, once you sign up for an account at Google Analytics, you're taken to a page that looks like this, and we're going to track a website, of course. And here you can give it any name that you want to give it. Oops. So this is just for your record right here. This is the account name, so you can have one account for maybe you have different companies or something like that, and you have multiple websites with different companies. You can have an account name. Then you can also have the website right here, and then of course you've got the URL. And notice that it already has the HTTP:// here. You can do the HTTPS for secure sites, but if you can just really just do anything like that, it's fine. You can select the industry. This really isn't that important. This is basically for statistics for Google itself. So just pick whatever you think best fits your industry. Not that big a deal. And then you do want to pick your own time zone, just so that as you're looking at times, you're looking at different statistics. You know exactly when it happened, and you're basing it on your own statistics. Here's some things that come along with the privacy issue, whether or not you want to share some of this information with different things. So just kind of go through and read all these and see if you agree with all of them. If not, just uncheck the ones you don't want to do. And then we just need to agree to their terms of service. If I can get, let me scroll down much farther. So I'm just going to click I accept. And now we have some more information here. But then down here is the important thing, and this is the code that we're going to need. So we're going to copy this code. This becomes the hardest part, and I really can't show you how to do this because every website's different. But basically, you want to take this code and you want to put it onto your website's template. Now, if you have WordPress, you can usually go into the template and modify it. You might need to ask a web developer for help if you don't know how to modify your own template. But it is crucial to make sure you get good tracking information on your site one way or another. And so I encourage you to really go in and take advantage of Google Analytics. But one way or another, you need some type of analytics, and I encourage you to use Google. If you need any additional help, have any additional questions, be sure and check us out, SEOcheckbox.com.